When doing my necklines, I always start at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. Moving on to the sideburns, we're going to start off with our no guard all the way open and create our first guideline. Now with our one guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and create our second guideline and connect the one guard to the half guard. We're going to move on to our gold FX and go at an angle at the back neckline. You always want to make sure you comb out the hair before you set in your guideline. Moving on to the hairline, we're starting off in the middle and working our way to the left side. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. We're going to start to apply some elegant shave gel and then use our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades to make them as crispy as possible.